The STRICH SST-10 electric guitar kit offers a full-size solid-body instrument with 3 single-coil pickups that deliver a bright, articulate tone suited to rock, blues, and pop styles. Its pickup configuration and control layout provide a surprisingly wide range of usable sounds, from clean rhythm parts to more aggressive overdriven leads, making it flexible for beginners exploring different genres. The midnight blue burst finish with contrasting accents gives the guitar a sleek, modern look that still feels classic on stage or in a home studio. A smooth neck profile and comfortable fretboard make it easier for new players to form chords and practice longer sessions without excessive hand fatigue. Hardware such as the tuners and bridge feel stable and dependable, helping the guitar hold tuning well enough for regular practice and casual performances. The kit includes a padded bag, digital tuner, strap, spare strings, cable, capo, picks, and learning materials, so a new player can start practicing and recording without needing to buy extra accessories.